So hello YouTube, so today we have gotten a pickup test between the Hoover Soft Lock Supreme from 2000, the Dirt Devil Power Max from 2024, and the Dyson Ball Animal Free Extra from 2024. So we got like $100. You could usually probably find some sale for about 79 bucks. But these, like some stores will maybe slightly cheaper, like different stores or something. But like maybe some of them might have like a foot shorter cord or slightly different colored hose or something like that. But so about 179 bucks, $100 about 79, 60 bucks, and about 400 bucks. So here we go. Start off with the newest to oldest. That's like the second one here. Did a very good job. Left some on the back piece though. Yeah, do a very good job. Left some there. But then about the Hoover. Did a very good job. So now I want to do some more vacuum seals. The Dyson did about equally to the Hoover. The Dirt Devil I far did the worst. Because it didn't pick up very much at all. And also, we might sing a little about the Dirt Devil. So anyway guys, please subscribe, leave comments as always. There's the dinner.